Hey, I'm Tim Gibson, and I want to talk to you about properly disposing of paint. Now, I actually have an oil-based paint here and an acrylic latex paint here. Now, both of these actually in their liquid state are considered a hazardous waste. So when you're getting ready to dispose, particularly of any unused paint, this is not something that you just want to throw away in your garbage. It's something that you want to take to your landfill, or there are some techniques that we can look at here. Now, if there is residual paint left in here that is unused, and you do not have a method of disposing that readily, then what you can do is you take your top off and you're just going to leave it out in your garage until it is completely dry. And what you may need to do is take a stirring stick and stir it or break it, because it'll dry on the surface before it actually dries all the way through. But before you can just dispose of the can in regular garbage, it must be completely dry, because until it's completely dry, if there's any liquid in here, it's considered a hazardous waste, and again, it should not be disposed of in your household trash. If you go to your local landfill, whether it's in your city or in your county, there is a place there usually where they have a large bin where you can actually dispose of your liquid paint there, and you just turn the can over, and most times they'll let you leave it there until it dries out and then it can be disposed of. But this is very important, whether it's an oil-based paint like this or a latex. Now, when you have completed a job, and once you've used a whole can, it's a little bit easier, because now when you leave that open to dry, just make sure it thoroughly dries out. So again, very important when you're disposing, to properly dispose of paint that you use in your home. Please do not put it in your regular trash unless it is fully dried out in the can. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to properly dispose of paint.